Think your time is worth $50, $100, even $200 plus an hour? Then why is AI costing you hours instead of saving them? Here's the irony. A recent study shows 77% of employees say AI is actually hurting their productivity. Why? Because they're stuck revising AI-generated content. You know what I mean. AI gets you part of the way, but you end up spending even more time tweaking and fixing than you save. Frustrating, right? Well, it's not just a time drain. It creates cognitive overload, pulling your focus away from what really matters. But there's a way to use AI that can actually save you 21 weeks of work a year. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. For over 20 years, I've been studying ways to maximize focus and reclaim hours of lost time. And if you've read chapter 8 of The Wolf is at the Door or my blog post on the 7-step ChatGPT prompt formula, you know that one of the biggest pitfalls is getting stuck in this endless loop of revisions. If not, just click the link below to get the free report and resources. So here's what you're going to start doing instead. Step 1, start by gathering your top performing and underperforming content. Save each in separate PDFs by category, such as email, outreach, and proposals. Make sure to include both winning and losing campaigns, and I'll tell you the secret as to why this is key in just a second. Step 2, take each PDF and add stats like engagement rates, clicks, or sales numbers. This data will help AI understand why some campaigns succeed while others don't, providing you actionable insights to the AI rather than just guesswork. Step 3, once your PDFs are ready, upload them to ChatGPT, Copy AI, or whatever tool you're using. And this next part is key. Put them in separate chat windows. If you use the same chat window, you're changing how AI will respond to you and undoing any training that you've just done when interacting with it. Once you've done that, you're going to use this exact prompt on the screen. For the text version, you can copy and paste, hit the link below, and I'll shoot it over to you. This prompt is going to analyze your content and train the model on your specific style and optimization strategies. And here's why this setup matters. Back in 2020, our Facebook ads were bringing in over $170,000 per month in sales. Then, after Apple's privacy policy update, that plummeted to just $10,000 per month because Facebook lost half the data it needed to optimize ads effectively. Here's what most don't realize. AI works similarly. It can only be as effective as the data you give it. That's why 50% of the information you provide should be based on what you want, and the other 50% should be based on what you want to avoid. Think of it like training an employee. You wouldn't just show them what works, you'd also show them what doesn't to set clear expectations. You know what I mean, don't you? I've got 20 years of experience that AI can't learn unless I share it. You're the same, right? If you don't give it enough guidance, it's like expecting a toddler to perform at an expert level. And if you're always going back to review AI-generated content, it means those guardrails are missing and you never took the best first step to begin with. But this one technique changes everything once you start using it. To get the prompt, subscribe to my channel and hit the link. You're going to be shocked at how well this works and what it can do for your productivity and bottom line to save 21 weeks of work a year. Don't believe me? Try it and see for yourself.